Hello everyone, Rahul is with you. And you have thought 100% about how to start trading and engage in trading. If you are a beginner who has no experience and knowledge of the technical analysis, how to finally stop losing money you start earning every day. With the help of trading, building a passive income for you, I have one solution. And before I start, I want to advise you on my VIP channel where I share my secret trading signals daily, which will be 100% lead you to successful trading and stable income. If you are interested in this, then rather follow the link in the description and join my team and start earning today. Returning to the essence of the video, about a year ago, I founded a close group for the traders where I posted and still post working and those signals for trading every day from Monday to Sunday. Signals are entry points that I use to earn money every day together with my subscribers. We trade with them on currency pairs, cryptocurrency, tokens, and indices. And now, just imagine 5 successful trading sessions every day, and you choose the amount of the transactions yourself. Then, how convenient it is for you, and you can start trading even with $1 in your pocket. It is tempting, I know it is you. Like 100 of my guys can become a successful trader and get a big taste of successful trading. So with a stable income, you can find a link to the wonderfully closed channel in this post. I am waiting for everyone.